Hi, this is Pratyush, your instructor, and in this complete video, I will be teaching you how to set character limit inside your web page using JavaScript. Let me show you the example. Suppose we want to type some text here. So let me type in some text. And as you can see, we have set the limit up to 60. So if the characters go beyond the 60, then it will show a red color box out right there. So this is a demo of the project, and if I cut it, then you can see it comes back to the normal stage. So this is the final project we are working at. So to create this project, we need JavaScript at the backend. So let's start coding. For this tutorial, I will be using codesandbox.io. This is an online coder where you can code amazing things like HTML, CSS and JavaScript, Vue.js and also Electron. So simply create a sandbox and log into your account. So here I am inside my account, and here I have created a simple box out right there with nothing. It doesn't have anything because I have not added the JavaScript file. You can download this complete project from the description down below. Okay, let me just link it to the JavaScript file, but first come over here and just create a new file. Let's say JavaScript or script.js and hit enter. Alright, so we want to just link this script file to the HTML file. So let me just type in right there the script position, and we have finally linked it. Alright, let's move over to the script file and let's start creating variable for fetching all the data that we got from the user. So let's start creating variables. So first of all, I will get the variable for my text and result alongside with limit. For this tutorial, I will set the limit up to 60 out right there. Alright. So after setting up limit, let's display that text out right here. We want to display the characters. So let me just type in result and text content to be 0 plus slash and limit. So that is it. Here we got all the text out right there, you can see. Now, but you can see that if we type something, then it is not counting the number of characters present in the text box. So let me do that particular thing. Okay, let's start counting the file. So I will open up a add event handler out right there that can count the length of the particular thing. So for this example, we want to display the text along with the length and limit, but make sure you cut this thing and change it to only value, because not value is not going to work out right there. So I will just put in value and let's end it up. So to end it up, you can use curly braces. Now you can see that it is counting the number of characters present in the text box. So this is what we got, but we want to set its limit up to 60 so that after 60 it will show a red color box out right there. Alright, let's apply some condition to it. So let's move over to here and apply some condition to it. If the text length reaches the limit or beyond the limit, then it will change the style of the border color to somewhat like red. So this is what I'm doing here, simply setting up the color to somewhat like red. And let's end it up with some curly braces. Okay, let me type in some character and let me see that if it is working or not. So as you can see, when the text or character reaches beyond the 60, then it is showing a red color box out right there. So this is what we need, but for the else statement I have to give something. So let's come to the else part, which is going to be adding a background color. So the default color, that is for gray one. So I will change the color to gray to the default and let me give it some spacing. So now it is going to work perfectly, and save it. Now after saving it, you will find that it is done almost. Let me type in some characters and let's see. Yeah. So it is showing the color, and if we delete everything, then it is turning back to the normal gray color. So this is it, how to set character limit inside your JavaScript and web page. So this was a basic tutorial on JavaScript. I hope this tutorial was really helpful, and if it was helpful, then consider subscribing and hit the like button below. I will meet you on another tutorial. Until then, keep coding.